Well, good Saturday morning to you. Temperatures once again this weekend will be on the warm side, but check this out. They're actually not going to be as warm as they have been the past couple of days. We're aiming for near mid 90s by this afternoon. 90 degrees on the dot likely for tomorrow. Some folks actually may struggle to get out of the upper 80s on Sunday, given the fact that we are going to be looking at increasing cloud cover, a disturbance nearby that will help to increase a few scattered rain chances. We've had to bump up Sunday to about a 30% chance for a few isolated showers and thunderstorms that could possibly move through the area. Not really warranting you to cancel any plans, but definitely warranting you to give you a heads up as far as keeping that KXAN weather app handy and that interactive radar for any of those outdoor plans. For today, though, you can see how this camera is shaking live from Southeast Austin from our Whittlesey Landscape Supply weather camera. Overcast skies, which are finally breaking apart and allowing for peaks of sunshine. There's a lot of moisture in place, though, and breezy winds out of the south, about 10 to 20 miles per hour. So that humidity will be sticking around today. It will be a muggy one as we do look for those temperatures to continue to increase out of the 70s this morning and then eventually making their way easily again near the 90s by this afternoon. Our pollen count, medium levels of mold, everything else staying in the low category. So that's some good news for those who will be out and about. But with these breezy winds, I'd recommend maybe just having that medicine, that allergy medicine on standby. You may find yourself reaching for it for a brief moment of time later today. Again, you can kind of see all this moisture pumping in from the southwest and even from the west. This has brought a few light sprinkles into the area late this morning going into the afternoon hours. Just don't totally discount that for your outdoor plans, but it won't again cause you to cancel any of those plans today. Starting tonight, this disturbance will start to kind of fling a few rain chances our direction, and that's when we could actually see some showers and thunderstorms as early as overnight tonight, going through afternoon hours tomorrow. When it comes to our severe weather risk, we're not too much concerned for anything actually severe making it into the greater KXAN viewing area. I think maybe Mason, San Saba could see a briefly strong thunderstorm. They're under a marginal risk there. That's going to be more so overnight into tomorrow morning. But I'm going to show you this hour by hour activity, how this could unfold going into sunrise tomorrow. Again, for today, we're going to break apart some of that stubborn cloud cover. Look for plenty of sunshine. It's just going to be a warm and muggy one. Look at your hour by hour forecast. As early as 3 a.m., we could see a broken line of strong to possibly briefly severe thunderstorms pushing into the hill country. But just as we've seen the past couple of systems, once they make it into our metro counties, they kind of make it more so into some stable air, break apart, and just leave us with a 30% chance for some off and on scattered downpours into the morning hours. We get some of that daytime heating when things kind of end. And then once that temperature heats up, that's when we could see some isolated spotty downpours again into the afternoon hours and maybe even early evening tomorrow. You can actually see that rain chances are going to be pretty scattered going into Sunday as well. So it could be more of a morning thing that we have to watch out for when it comes to those rain chances. And when all is said and done, not really looking at more than half an inch with those isolated downpours, possibly seeing just a little bit more than that if you can get a heavier thunderstorm in your neck of the woods. Today, though, we're going to call it mostly dry. The most moisture you're going to be dealing with today, humidity. 93 for today with winds out of the south. Pretty breezy, though, at times. So if you're going to be playing around a Gulf, keep that in mind. Lower 70s overnight, muggy air continuing with a 20% chance for some scattered showers or thunderstorms to the west tonight, and then into tomorrow morning, a 30% chance. Isolated rain chances taking us to the start of your upcoming work week before we dry out once again.